Hello everyone, I'm Dusty Baker and I recently went on a trip to Spokane, Washington, and in this video I will be showing you 3 bakeries that I had visited while I was there. Now the first bakery I had visited is called Made with Love Bakery. This charming little bakery was located in a quiet neighborhood within Spokane. And this place definitely had like that comforting neighborhood vibe, and if it was not for the cold weather and rain outside, I definitely would have stayed a little bit longer just to enjoy like this comforting place. So not only did this bakery had like this comforting vibe, but it also had these very delicious and comforting pastries as well. So while I was there, one of the workers had recommended this cookie to me, and this cookie that I got was absolutely delicious and rich. Now this cookie consisted of like chocolate chunks and some toffee and a little salt on top. This cookie was definitely something I would want to have at the end of my day, just to leave it on a good note with a glass of milk for sure. Next, I had the red velvet cupcake, and this is definitely something you would like expect to what a red velvet cake would taste like, but I can definitely tell that it was made from scratch for sure. Now, the next bakery I've had visited was called Hello Sugar. This bakery was very close to the previous bakery. It was maybe 2 minutes at most to get there. This place specializes in mini artisan donuts, and I had opted to get a dozen of their best donuts. And I would like to point out how much I love the packaging of these donuts. It was very unique and it gave off like this feeling that I'm about to consume something amazing. Each of these donuts were very delicious and unique in their own ways. I just really wish that I had a place that was like this closer to me, because I would definitely go here quite often and would get these donuts for special occasions. And the final bakery I went to was called MiiFlavor. This place specializes in French pastries, and they had a wide selection of pastries to choose from croissants, tarts, cakes, and even French macarons. Now, the cafe itself was very modern and clean, and it was definitely a place where I would want to take my friends just to impress them. So what I had bought from this bakery was a strawberry croissant and a tiramisu. So besides the fact that both of these pastries were a little bit pricey, I can definitely tell that they were made with quality ingredients. And if I were to recommend this place, I would definitely recommend that this is a place where you would want to take somebody on a special occasion. And that's my video on the bakeries in Spokane, Washington. Let me know if you've been to these bakeries before and what you thought of them. And let me know if there's any bakeries that you would recommend while visiting Spokane.